That new phone feeling, there's nothing quite like it. The satisfaction of knowing that your phone looks, works, and feels exactly as it should. Unscratched and glitch-free. Faultless and fast working. Just as the designers intended. At EE, we think that feeling should last for your whole contract. That's why when you take out a new EE phone plan or selected SIM plan, you now get a service pack for no extra cost. We do 3 things to keep your phone in tip-top condition. The first is to give you an EE lifetime guarantee on your device until you upgrade or leave. That's longer than any standard manufacturer warranty. So, if something goes wrong, we'll repair or replace it for free. We always use authorized experts, so you know it's in safe hands. The second is an annual device and account MOT to make sure everything stays tickety-boo. Book an appointment at your local store and we'll give your device a thorough checkup, clean and polish. Then, we'll check for any apps or software that could help you get more out of it. You'll also get a full service report. You can book your MOT online or in any of our stores. And thirdly, we give you £10 to spend on our premium range of cases and screen protectors to keep your phone protected from life's bumps and scrapes. Only EE includes a service pack with your phone contract. It's just one of the reasons we're the UK's #1 network.